What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable the autosave function from WPBakery WordPress plugin, okay? This is a very famous, a very useful page builder plugin for WordPress that lets you create pages without coding. And imagine that you just lost connection with internet, your site went down, and you did not save the edits you make on your page. Almost like when you are editing something on Excel or Word from Microsoft and you did not save something and close the tab. Autosave can save you a lot of time in this case, okay? So let's learn how to enable this. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to our WordPress dashboard. To access the dashboard into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin and enter with login credentials, okay? After, you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over WPBakery. Then go to General Settings, okay? Scroll down just a little bit and you're gonna be able to find this option right here, Autosave. You need to enable because it came disabled by default. Scroll down once again and hit the Save Changes blue button. Change has been saved and you now have the autosave. So if I go to some page, add new, click on WPBakery Page Builder, and start editing my page with elements from it. Just like this. The autosave gonna be enabled, so even if you do not hit the publish button or the update button on the page gonna be saved automatically, okay? So if you just do some edit on the page, there is no more needs of hitting the save button on the blocks because it's already saved. Nice, right? So all you have to do is select your icon and you can close the tab. Nice, right? I always recommend that you hit the update button into the top, okay? Or the publish button to make sure that you have a double check on your saves, but the process is already in health made, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!